Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be cooking and we're making a leek puree soup. For the first step, you're gonna need a pot and some butter. Now leave that there until we need it later. Now gather all of these and we're gonna chop them up and put them in there. Leek, 1 or 2 carrots, 3 potatoes that you're gonna need to peel first, 1 small zucchini or half of a big one, and 2 spinach blocks. Now chop all of them up and place them in the pot. Now that you have everything washed and ready, it's time to chop it up and place it in the pot. I had a little accident while cutting the leek, so somebody else will be finishing the soup for me. Now apply some heat to it for 5 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat. It is important to use a lid. Remember to stir in between. Now leave it there until the vegetables are soft. Now we add 4 of these cheese blocks. Now we blend it with an electric hand blender. And it's ready. Let's have a look. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy your soup. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.